Most of the stress and tension that we accumulate during our busy lives is physically stored in our neck and shoulder region. Namaste, I'm Archana. Welcome to this tension busting yoga session for neck and shoulders, where we will do asanas that will help us feel lighter, feel refreshed, and stress free. So let's begin by rolling out a mat, getting to come into a comfortable seated position. Keeping your back straight, just notice that it's not like pulled up, nice and relaxed. Raise your shoulders towards your ears, roll it back, drop it down. Palms come to rest in receiving on your thigh, or you can stack it one over the other, whatever works for you. Now take a breath in, and as you breathe out, you can keep a soft gaze, not really focusing on anything, or it's comfortable, close your eyes. One more breath in. This time, as you breathe out, just relaxing your shoulders, letting go of any tension, any tightness. Once again, deep breath in. Now completely exhale through your mouth. Breath in again. And breath out. You can continue to keep your eyes closed, and with the tip of your nose, you're going to draw circles in the air. Just rolling your neck to release any tension in your neck. 3 clockwise. 3 anti-clockwise. Drop your chin towards your chest. Stay here. From here, you're going to bring your gaze to look at your right thigh. Left hand drops to the mat, or you can take it behind you. Press all your fingertips into the mat and notice the stretch change in your neck. Take your right hand, place it anywhere along your head. See that you're not pulling down, just drop the elbows towards the earth, resting your palm on your head. Breathing in, breathing out. Again, inhale. And as you exhale, notice the stretch all along the side of your neck. One more. Release your hand. Hands come back. Now walk your right hand away from you. Drop your right ear to your right shoulder. Left hand comes all the way up. Reach and stretch. Breath in. See that your shoulders are pointing straight ahead. You're going to stay here for another inhalation, full exhalation, and draw circles in your arms. 1, 2, and 3. Anti-clockwise. 3. Push that elbow down. Open the shoulder. 2, and 1. Drop your hands. Walk your hands back. Sit nice and tall. Notice how your neck feels. From here, taking your left hand, placing your left palm on your right shoulder. Right hand, you're not like on the elbow, just slightly behind. Press and stretch. Good stretch on your left shoulder. Breathe in. As you breathe out, turn and look. Inhale. Completely exhale. And 1. Release. Release this hand. Move it up and down. Notice how that feels. Roll the shoulders back. Move your neck to either side. Just whatever movements come naturally, organically to you. in between the poses. Please feel free to do that. Now we're going to move our left hand away. Drop the left ear towards your left shoulder. Reach that right hand and stretch. Breathe in. Open your chest forward. Breathe out. Collapse. And now big circles. 1, 2, and 3. Anti-clockwise. 3. Again, you can push that elbow, open the chest, open the shoulder. And 1. Drop it down. Walk. Head comes up. Last, close your eyes. 1 more deep breath in. Reach your shoulders up. Exhale, drop it down. Swing your legs to one side. Coming onto your knees and palms. Just arch your back. Breathe out. Round. Raise your right arm in line with your shoulder. Thread it in the space between your left palm and your knee. Drop your the side of your face on the mat. You can either straighten the left hand or place it directly in front of your face. Hips over knees. Hold. 3, 2. You're just going to notice a nice stretch in your shoulder. And 1. Press into the palm. Come up this time. Left hand in line. Hands directly in front of your face or stretch. Breathe in. Completely breathe out. If hips start moving towards the right, pull it, bring it. That's when you're going to feel the stretch. If you're going to just collapse here, you're going to notice it. Actively bringing your hips over your knees. Breathe in. Completely breathe out. If you notice any discomfort, you can always modify your pose. Bring your hands here. Move your hands out slightly. Rest. Notice what works for you in your body today and do it accordingly. Reach your hands forward. Hips directly over your knees. Forehead on the mat. Good stretch in your shoulders. Again, just using your breath to go deeper into your pose. Inhale. The areas that you feel the stretch on, bring your awareness to that area. As you exhale, just letting go, sinking deeper, relaxing your shoulders. Stay there for another breath in and out. Peel your forehead off the mat. Palms come beneath your shoulders. Press your toes. Knees come off. And come into your Parvatasana, or you can actually widen your feet. Just letting your head hang. Palms pressing into the earth. Push your seat up towards the ceiling. See that your palms are not slipping. Stay here, just letting your head hang. And as though you're trying to split the mat into two from the middle. Drop it down. Sit in Vajrasana. Inhale, reach both your hands up. Exhale, bring your right elbow in line with your shoulder, fingertips pointing towards the ceiling. Left comes from under. You can just wrap it here, hold, or you can go all the way, crossing at your elbows, elbows pointing forward, arms parallel, gaze forward. A nice opening in your upper back here. Breathe in. As you breathe out, drop your chin towards your chest. Pushing those elbows forward, arms parallel. Nice opening there in your upper back, in your chest, your shoulders. Release. Reach those arms up. Stretch if you need to. Bring the left hand, a left elbow in line with your left shoulder. Wrap around. Stay here. Breathing in, breathing out. Two more breaths. And one. Release. Release your hands. Bring it forward. Swing your legs to one side. Straighten your legs out. Stack your left knee over your right leg. Breathe in. Create length. As you breathe out, you're simply going to roll forward, dropping your chin towards your chest. We are not reaching here, just dropping it close to your body. Focus on dropping your chin towards your chest, forehead towards your knee. Completely breathe out, sinking deeper into your pose every time you breathe out. Slowly roll up. The other side. Drop and roll. Stay here for 3 to 5 breaths. Every time you breathe out, just letting go of any tension in your shoulders, in your neck. You can always place a pillow between your knees and your forehead or chin. And one. Slowly roll up. Swing your legs to one side, opening your knees nice and wide. Thumbs come to touch as wide as you can. With your right hand, grab your right ankle, left hand, left ankle. Drop your cheek towards the floor. You can always turn one side first and then stay here for a few breaths. This feels really comfortable when you do on a bed because that has some give. Breathe in, breathe out. You can turn the other side. One. Feel free to stay here as long as you want to. I want to end this session. Sit tall in Vajrasana, hands to prayer. Close your eyes. Take one deep breath in. Completely exhale. Relaxing your shoulders, relaxing your neck. One more breath in. This time, exhale through your mouth. Letting go of any tightness, any pain, aches in your shoulder and neck region. And end the session by chanting one round Om. Breath in. As you breathe out, Om. Thank you so much for joining me in today's practice. I would love to hear your feedback in the comments below. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel. And if you enjoyed this video, please press like. If you think this is helpful to somebody you know, please share. It really helps my channel grow. Namaste.